shit.
Hey guys, I thought I would record an introduction to this video because it turned out quite a bit different than I had originally anticipated. Today was one of those days where I was kind of sitting around, wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do. By the time I made up my mind to go and do it, of course there was, like 2.5 hours left of sunlight. So got the battery out for the cake, installed it, got the bike ready, put the moto tote on the car, loaded the bike up, charged the drone batteries, the GoPro batteries, got everything all ready. Drove down to the site that I wanted to do this riding and recording and realized that I forgot the kill switch for the cake. Whoops. Yeah, the bike will not run without that kill switch installed. You can bypass it with wiring and whatever, but that's not what I wanted to do. So I knew this would happen at some point in time. I usually leave it with my keys, but I just, I was in such a rush, I forgot. So the kill switch is now attached to the bike, and I'm just going to leave it with the bike, and I'll probably bring like little magnets that I can use as temporary solutions in case I forget it somehow again or misplace it or whatever. But anyways, yeah, so I got there, realized I forgot it, was super frustrated, had to drive back home, load the bike up, drove back home, picked up this kill switch, drove back out there, had about 45 minutes left of sunlight, and of course I was rushing around, which led to another accident. Another reminder why it's important to always have your safety gear, particularly boots and helmet. I think the boots are just as important as having a helmet on. That really was helpful on this day. So that's kind of the backstory on what happened. That's what led up to some of the events you'll see here. And here is the introduction that I had originally filmed before I got super frustrated and had to run back home, which I did not record.
Hey guys, it's Saturday today. I just thought it would be cool to get out on the cake and get in a little ride. It's cold here in Colorado and there's been snow on the ground, but there's this little construction site I've kind of been keeping an eye on. I thought would be a cool little place just to get a little rip in during the day, real quick. The cake battery's at 50%, that's where I keep it for storage. So I just loaded the bike up real quick in the Subaru Crosstrek, and I'm heading down there. This place is about 10 minutes from my house. So I'm hoping to test the Skydio 2 again out there and just rip on the cake bike a little bit, break up the monotony of the past few weeks. So yeah, check it out. Well, that was an interesting ride.